Hello dear friends, welcome to Engineers World. In today's lecture, we will solve some questions of string arrangements. ये क्वेश्चंस जो है उनसे आपको थोड़ा बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट जो है पैटर्न का वो मिल जाएगा. यू विल गेट टू नो व्हाट काइंड ऑफ क्वेश्चंस आर बीइंग आस्क्ड इन द एग्जामिनेशन. सो क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने से पहले मैं आपको एक बात बताना चाहूंगी कि जो प्रीवियस वीडियोस है बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट्स की आप वो जरूर देख लीजिएगा. अगर किसी ने देखी है तो ये वीडियो जो है आपको बहुत ही आसान लगेगी क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करने. और अगर किसी ने नहीं देखी है वो वीडियोस तो आई हाईली रिकमेंड कि इस वीडियो को देखने से पहले आप वो जो बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट्स की वीडियोस है वो जरूर देख लें. ठीक है. सो नाउ स्टार्टिंग टुडेज लेक्चर, हम आज कुछ क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करेंगे. ये पूछे गए हैं कुछ एग्जाम्स में भी. तो लेट्स स्टार्ट. Let's take our first question. Okay. We have our first question. In a car exhibition, 7 cars are of 7 different companies. Cadillac, Ambassador, Fiat, Maruti, Mercedes, Bedford and Fogo were displayed in a row facing east. Okay, facing east. So before starting this question, let me give you a clear idea of east facing condition. Okay, for example, let's suppose we have east facing people. East facing people we write like this. जो east की तरफ face कर रहे हैं उनको हम ऐसे लिखते हैं. For example, because we know that कि जो हमारी universal directions है वो हम ऐसे लिखते हैं. We write it like this. East and west. If somebody is facing east, you have to write it like this. So east facing condition में आपको क्या याद रखना है कि if somebody is facing east, for example, this person is facing east, this is his right direction, okay, and this is his left. This is more very important point because ये जानने के बाद you will be able to solve the question. Similarly, if a person is facing west direction, this is west facing. Sorry, if this is facing west person, so this is his left, okay, and this is right. Always remember, यहाँ पे भी वही चीज है कि डायरेक्शन चेंज होगी तो राइट और लेफ्ट का सेंस जो है वो भी चेंज हो जाएगा. सो ऑलवेज रिमेम्बर द राइट एंड लेफ्ट किसका. वेस्ट के टाइम पे कौन सा राइट एंड लेफ्ट है, ईस्ट के टाइम पे कौन सा लेफ्ट और राइट है, नॉर्थ के टाइम पे और साउथ के टाइम पे. तो हमारा जो क्वेश्चन है बेसिकली जो है वो इन्हीं चीजों के बाद सॉल्व होता है जब ये कॉन्सेप्ट हमारे क्लियर हो. सो लेट्स टेक द क्वेश्चन. तो हमारी जो फर्स्ट कंडीशन है क्वेश्चन की वो क्या है. Cadillac was to the immediate right of Fogo. ओके, अब आपको राइट और लेफ्ट का कॉन्सेप्ट आ गया होगा. तो फर्स्ट कंडीशन विल टेक Cadillac was to the immediate right of Fogo. If this is Fogo, अभी मैंने बोला I just said this is the right direction, so Cadillac is immediate right. So ये next to it होगा. This is Cadillac. Okay. Now another condition we have. Fogo was 4 to the right of Fiat. So Fogo जो है जो that is to the right of Fiat. So somewhere जो Fiat है somewhere over here. Okay. Let's plot. Keep it here. Fiat. Now question में हमें बोला गया है is Fogo is 4 to the right of Fiat. First, second, third and fourth. Clear? Now another condition we have. Maruti car was between Ambassador and Bedford. So यहाँ पे कहीं we will place the Maruti car, okay, and Bedford and Ambassador over here. So यहाँ पे we can have two conditions. Ambassador is here and Bedford is here, or Bedford is here and Ambassador is here. So let's plot the second case as well. If this is Fogo, this is Cadillac, this is Fiat. So in this case, let's place Bedford here, Ambassador here, and Maruti here. In this case, Ambassador, Bedford and Maruti. Okay, let's check another condition. We have Fiat, which is third to the left of Ambassador. Here Fiat is third to the left of Ambassador. But what about this case? In this case, Fiat is to immediate left of Ambassador car. So this case is wrong and we have to go on with this case. In this case, you can clearly see that Fiat is third to the left of Ambassador car. So this case is correct one. Next condition is Fiat, which is third to the left of Ambassador car, was at one of the ends. That means this is the end. Okay. Now we have to place one more car. Okay. Because we have 7 cars and we have so far placed only 6 cars. Now we are left with 1 car. So that has to be over here. Because this is the end and this is another. This is one end, this is another end. So we are left with a car that is Mercedes. Mercedes, we will place it over here. तो इस तरह से हमारा जो sum है that we have solved. Now we will answer some questions. The first question is, which of the following was the correct option of Mercedes? Correct option of Mercedes, let's see. Immediate right of Cadillac. Immediate right of Cadillac. Yeah. Option A is correct. Mercedes is to the immediate right of Cadillac. So option A is correct. Now let's check another options as well. We have second option. Immediate left of Bedford. Immediate left of Bedford. No. To immediate left of Bedford, we have Fiat car. So this option is wrong. Another option we have between Bedford and Fargo. Between Bedford and Fargo. No. Mercedes is not between Bedford and Fargo. So this option is again the wrong option. Now we have another option. Ford to the right of Maruti. This is Maruti and this is right of the Maruti. First, second, third, fourth. Yeah. Mercedes is to the fourth to the right of Maruti car. So this option is also the right option. So A option and D option, we have the right options. Now let's take another question. Which of the following is definitely true? Fargo car is between Ambassador and Fiat. Fargo car, no. We have Fargo car that is between Ambassador and Cadillac. So this option is wrong. Another option we have Cadillac car is to the immediate left of Mercedes. Mercedes. Cadillac car, yeah. We have this is Mercedes and this is the left of Mercedes. Cadillac is to immediate left of Mercedes car. So B option is correct. Another option we have Fargo is to the immediate right of Cadillac. Fargo is to immediate right of Cadillac. No, immediate right of Cadillac we have Mercedes. So option C is wrong. Option D, Maruti is Ford to the right of Mercedes. Maruti is Ford to the right of Mercedes. No, it is Ford to the left of Mercedes because you can clearly see that this is the left direction of Mercedes. So this option is also the wrong option. I hope this is clear. Now we have another question. Which cars are on the immediate either sides of Cadillac? Now we have Cadillac. We have to check which 2 cars are to the immediate sides of Cadillac. You can clearly see that Fargo and Mercedes. You can see from the options, third option. We have Fargo and Mercedes. Fargo and Mercedes. So none of the options is Fargo and Mercedes. So you have to write it as E option. You have to mark it as E option. That is none of these because in none of the options we have Fargo and Mercedes. किसी भी option में Fargo and Mercedes नहीं दिया गया है तो option E को आप mark कर देंगे. Now we have another question. Which of the following is definitely true? Maruti is to the immediate left of Ambassador. Maruti is to the immediate left of Ambassador. A option is correct. Bedford is to the immediate left of Fiat. Bedford is to the immediate right of Fiat. So this is wrong option. Now we have another option. Bedford is at one of the ends. Ends पे है? नहीं. Ends पे we have 2 cars. One is Fiat and another is Mercedes. This option is wrong as well. Fourth option we have Fiat is second to the right of Maruti. Fiat is second to the right of Maruti. This option is also the wrong option. So in this question, A option is the correct option. Okay. Another question we have, which of the following groups of cars is to the right of Ambassador car? This is our Ambassador car and this is right of Ambassador car. Let's check the options. Cadillac, yeah, we have. Fargo, yes. And Maruti, no. Maruti is to the left of Ambassador car, so option A is wrong option. Let's check another option. Maruti, no. Maruti is to the left of Ambassador car. This is again the wrong option. Another we have Mercedes, Cadillac and Fogo. So option 3 is the correct option. Okay. I hope this question is clear to you. Let's move on to another question. In another question we have, this question is based on a rectangular pattern. In this question, 5 ladies, Tanya, Sunita, Nidhi, Arpana and Preeti, and 5 men, Arvind, Kunal, Pawan, Sahil and Tanmay, they sat on the 2 long sides of rectangular table. Let's draw the rectangular table first of all. One, two, three, four, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Ladies sat alternatively with and opposite to men. Ladies sat alternatively, मतलब ये हुआ कि लेडीज जो है वो ऑल्टरनेटिवली बैठ रही है. दैट मीन्स एक लेडी होगी, उसके बाद वी हैव अ मैन एंड देन उसके बाद दूसरी लेडी होगी, देन फिर से मैन आएगा, फिर लेडी आएगी. तो ऑल्टरनेटिवली बैठ रही है. और दूसरी कंडीशन वी हैव लेडीज आर टू ऑपोजिट ऑफ मैन. ओके, लेडी कहीं पे भी बैठी है, उसके ऑपोजिट वी हैव अ मैन. ओके, सो लेट्स टेक फर्स्ट कंडीशन. साहिल सैट इन द सेंटर पोजिशन. सो सेंटर पोजीशन हमारी एक ये है, एक ये है. लेट्स प्लेस साहिल है. साहिल को हम यहाँ पे प्लेस कर देंगे. कंडीशन, अनदर कंडीशन वी हैव अर्पना सैट ऑपोजिट टू अरविंद. अभी अरविंद को हमने कहीं पे प्लेस नहीं किया है. लेट्स कीप इट असाइड. इस कंडीशन को हम अभी ले लेंगे. सुनीता सैट नेक्स्ट टू साहिल. सुनीता सैट नेक्स्ट टू साहिल यहाँ पे हो सकती है. यहाँ पे लेट्स प्लेस है सुनीता. रिमेम्बर यहाँ पे भी हो सकती है, बट अभी हम देख लेंगे और कंडीशंस को भी. एंड 3 places फ्रॉम अरविंद. 3 places फ्रॉम अरविंद. सो अरविंद हैज टू बी हेयर. अरविंद इज हेयर. 1, 2, 3. सुनीता इज 3 places फ्रॉम अरविंद. अनदर कंडीशन, एक हमारी पहली कंडीशन जो हमने रख ली थी वो थी अर्पना सेट ऑपोजिट टू अरविंद. उस कंडीशन को पहले ले लेते हैं. अर्पना इज ऑपोजिट टू अरविंद. फाइन. Now we have Preeti sat 4 places to the left of Arpana. If ये साउथ फेस कर रहे हैं तो this is the left of Arpana. 1, 2, 3, 4. तो प्रीति हमारी यहाँ पे होगी. ओके, 4 places to the left of Arvind. Nidhi sat 2 places from Sunita. This is Sunita. 2 places from Sunita is this. This is Nidhi. Okay. Nidhi sat 2 places from Sunita and Pawan sat opposite to Sunita. Pawan has to be opposite to Sunita. This is Pawan. Fine. Kunal sat 3 places from Preeti. 1, 2, 3. So this is Kunal. Fine. Okay. Now we are left with. So हमारी condition है कि we have to place females alternatively. देखिए, you can check it from here. This is Nidhi, this is Sunita, but we are left with 2 people. एक तो तन्मय है and we have Tanya. Okay, if we will place तन्मय over here, तन्मय तो कुणाल and तन्मय जो 2 मेल मेंबर्स है वो हमें एक जगह पे आ रहे हैं. So we have to place Tanya here. और तन्मय जो है, इससे हमारा क्या होगा, कंडीशंस फिल हो जाएंगी हमारी. अर्पना इज फीमेल. Then we have male Kunal, and again we have Tanya is female, Pawan male, and Preeti is female. Here also we have Arvind is male, Nidhi female, Sahil male, Sunita female. Okay, another condition we will check कि female जो है are they opposite to males. Arpana is opposite to male, Nidhi is female. So you can check clearly all the conditions are met. Now we have to answer the questions. Okay, let's take the first question. Who sat opposite to Tanya? This is Tanya. Who sat opposite to Tanya? Now we have options Arvind, Kunal, Pawan and Sahil. D option we have Sahil, and Sahil is sitting opposite to Tanya. Mark this as the right option. Okay. Now we have another question. Given the information in the previous question, who sat opposite to Tanmay? Okay, Tanmay. This is our Tanmay. Now who is sitting opposite to Tanmay? Let's check the options. We have Nidhi. No, Preeti. Yeah, Preeti is sitting opposite to Tanmay. So option B is the correct option. I hope this question is clear. Now let's move on to another question. This question will be based on a circular pattern. Okay. Now we have 8 friends. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H are sitting around a circle. First of all, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 8 friends. They are sitting around a circle facing center. Facing center. Okay. Everyone is facing center. Fine. But not necessarily in the same order. G sits third to the left of D. If this is D, this is left of D. First, second, third. G sits third to the left of D. Only one person sits between D and F. So D and F. F यहाँ पे हो सकता है और यहाँ पे B हो सकता है. So let's draw another case. This is D. This is G. तो F हमारा यहाँ पे भी हो सकता है. So दोनों केसेस हम साइमल्टेनियसली प्लॉट करते जाएंगे. ओके. B सिट्स सेकंड टू द राइट ऑफ H. H हमने कहीं पे प्लॉट नहीं किया है. हम साइड पे कहीं पे अपनी मेमोरी के लिए रख रहे हैं. B sits second to the right of H. If this is H, B sits here. Okay. H is not immediate neighbor of D. H is not immediate neighbor of D. यहाँ पे भी H is not immediate neighbor of D. तो यहाँ पे हमारा H नहीं आएगा. C is not immediate neighbor of D. Also C भी यहाँ पे भी नहीं है. C is not immediate neighbor of D. E is an immediate neighbor of H. E is an immediate neighbor of H. We will see. H हमारा यहाँ पे नहीं है. H हमारा यहाँ पे भी नहीं है. यहाँ पे नहीं है. यहाँ पे नहीं है. So we are left with 3 places for H. Let's check. अगर हम H को यहाँ पे रख रहे हैं, for example, let's place H here. So now we have to check this condition. B has to be second to the right of H. अगर हम H को यहाँ पे प्लेस कर रहे हैं, second to the right of H, प्लेस कर सकते हैं B को? नहीं. So यहाँ पे H को प्लेस करना ठीक नहीं है. अगर हम H को यहाँ प्लेस कर रहे हैं second to the right, so B यहाँ पे आ जाएगा. Now another कंडीशन यहाँ पे भी चेक करेंगे इस केस के लिए भी. H को यहाँ प्लेस नहीं कर सकते, H को यहाँ प्लेस नहीं कर सकते, H को यहाँ प्लेस कर सकते, तो उस केस पे B यहाँ पे आ जाएगा. Another condition we have, H is not immediate neighbor of D. वो हमारा हो गया है. Now हमें क्या है कि C is not immediate neighbor of D. E is an immediate neighbor of H. E is an immediate neighbor of H. तो E को अगर हम यहाँ पे प्लेस कर लेंगे, ओके, तो C जो हमारा है, C कैन नॉट बी हेयर और C कैन नॉट बी हेयर. सो वी आर लेफ्ट विथ A एंड C. तो C हमारा यहाँ पे आ जाएगा एंड A यहाँ पे आ जाएगा. सो लेट्स चेक. ये हमारा केस आ गया. लेट्स चेक फॉर दिस केस. यहाँ पे कौन सी गलती है, यहाँ पे क्यों नहीं आ सकता है, ये हम देख लेंगे. See, we have E is immediate neighbor of H. E is immediate neighbor of H. If we place E here, we are left with A and C. अगर हमने A को कहीं पे भी, for example, यहाँ पे place कर दिया, तो C has to be here. That is the wrong. That is wrong. So अगर for example यहाँ पे A को place करेंगे, C को we have to place C over here or here. So this case is wrong. तो ये जो हमारा केस है, ये वाला सही हमारा है. इसने हमारा क्वेश्चन सॉल्व कर दिया. Now let's answer the questions. Which is the position of E with respect to position of C? Position of E with respect to position of C. Options: third to the left. No, this is C. E is second to the left. So first option is wrong. Second option we have second to the left. So this option is the right option. Second to the left, you have to mark it as right option. Now another question we have: who among the following sits exactly between A and G? This is, we have A and G. F is clearly between A and G. Now is there any option? Yeah, fourth option is we have F. So mark it as the right option. Okay. Now another question we have: 4 of the following are alike in a certain way and thus form a group. Which of the following does not belong to the group? C, G. हमें देखना एक पैटर्न सा होगा यहाँ पे. एक ऑप्शन जो ऐसा होगा हमें, दैट विल बी अगेंस्ट द पैटर्न, तो वो हमें यहाँ पे आंसर मार्क कर देना. सी जी. सी जी हमारा ये दो है, मतलब C और G. C is second to the left of G is second to the left of C. Okay. A is second to the left of E. ये पैटर्न हमें मिल रहा है. H D. No, H is second to the right of D. So third option जो है ये हमारा करेक्ट ऑप्शन है इसका, बिकॉज ये इस ग्रुप को बिलोंग नहीं कर रहा है। इस ग्रुप में हमें क्या पैटर्न मिल रहा है, हमें पैटर्न मिल रहा है जो हमारा फर्स्ट मेंबर है सी, फॉर एग्जाम्पल फर्स्ट में हम देखेंगे फर्स्ट ऑप्शन में सी जो हमारा फर्स्ट है दैट इज सेकेंड टू द राइट ऑफ अनदर वन, ओके। लेकिन इस केस में हमें मिल रहा है जो डी है दैट इज सेकेंड टू द लेफ्ट ऑफ अनदर, जो फर्स्ट पर्सन है। सो ये हमारा जो है इसको थर्ड को हम मार्क कर देंगे राइट ऑप्शन। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन वी हैव जो द फॉलोइंग इज ट्रू विद रिस्पेक्ट टू सीटिंग अरेंजमेंट, ओके। बोथ ए एंड डी आर इमीडिएट नेबर्स ऑफ ई, ए एंड डी नो, दिस इज ई के जो इमीडिएट नेबर्स है वो हमें डी और एच है, सो दिस इज द रॉन्ग ऑप्शन। Another we have C sits exactly between H and F. C sits between, no, C sits between B and H. So again this is wrong option. Another we have only 3 person sit between C and E. C and E. We have a single person between H. So this is wrong option. Now we have H is to the immediate left of B. Immediate left of B we have C. So this is again the wrong option. So इस case में you will mark none of the above as the right option. क्योंकि यहाँ पे जो भी हमारे जो ऑप्शंस दिए हुए हैं उनमें से कोई भी करेक्ट ऑप्शन नहीं है। नाउ अनदर क्वेश्चन वी हैव, हु अमंग इज द फॉलोइंग सिट्स थर्ड टू द लेफ्ट ऑफ एफ? थर्ड टू द लेफ्ट ऑफ एफ वी हैव फर्स्ट सेकंड थर्ड, सी इज थर्ड टू द लेफ्ट ऑफ एफ। इज देयर एनी ऑप्शन? या ऑप्शन नंबर 3 इज सी, यू हैव टू मार्क इट एज राइट ऑप्शन। आई होप ये क्वेश्चन भी आपको क्लियर हो चुका है। तो लेट्स मूव ऑन टू अनदर क्वेश्चन, विल सॉल्व वन मोर क्वेश्चन। This is also based on circular pattern. L, M, N, P, Q, R, S are sitting in a circle and playing cards. So actually we have 7 people over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. N who is neighbor of P? N is neighbor of P. For example, यहाँ पे भी P हो सकता है. Let's place here. Is not neighbor of R. N जो है हमारा R का neighbor नहीं है. Q is second to the left of R. R को प्लेस नहीं किया है हमने। अगर 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 क्या है हमारा केस? दूसरा कंडीशन क्या है? Q is to second to the left of R. This is R 1, 2. Q is here. ये हम अपनी मेमोरी के लिए यहाँ पे रख रहे हैं, ठीक है। N is second to the left of S. If this is S and this is facing center, so N is second to the left of S, ठीक है। Who is immediate neighbor of M? S is immediate neighbor of M. M can be here or M can be here also. So एक केस में हम M को यहाँ पे रख रहे हैं, दूसरा केस हम ऐसे करेंगे 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7। दूसरे केस में हम M को यहाँ पे रख रहे हैं, this is N and this is P. So this is like this. Now we have to put this condition into this one. अगर हम R को यहाँ पे place कर रहे हैं, R को अगर हम यहाँ पे प्लेस कर रहे हैं तो Q इज सेकेंड टू द लेफ्ट ऑफ R। यहाँ पे Q की कोई जगह नहीं है। अगर R को यहाँ पे प्लेस करें, अगेन वी डोंट हैव अ स्पेस फॉर Q। R को यहाँ पे रख रहे हैं तो दिस इज Q, फाइन। C, यहाँ पे अगर हम R को रखेंगे, इज देयर एनी प्लेस फॉर Q? नो। यहाँ पे भी अगर हम R को रखेंगे, वी हैव ओनली 2 प्लेसेस हियर। यहाँ पे सिर्फ 2 स्पेसेस है R के लिए। यहाँ पे तो नहीं रख सकते, लेट्स चेक फॉर दिस। यहाँ पे भी नहीं रख सकते क्योंकि अगर हमने R को यहाँ पे रख दिया तो Q यहाँ पे नहीं आ जाएगा। सो दिस केस जो हमारा है ये सारा इनकरेक्ट है। सो वी हैव टू गो ऑन विद दिस केस ओनली। सो यहाँ पे R भी प्लेस हो गया, Q भी प्लेस हो गया, सब कुछ प्लेस हो गया। नाउ वी आर लेफ्ट विद L, ओके। सो ये स्पेस हमारी L के लिए है। हमारा क्वेश्चन सॉल्व हो गया। नाउ लेट्स आंसर द क्वेश्चंस। Which of the following is true? Q is the neighbor of S and L. Yeah, Q is the neighbor of S and Q is the neighbor of L. This is the right option. First option is the right option. Let's check another option. M is the neighbor of S and L. M is the neighbor of, no. M is the neighbor of S and N. This is wrong. R is the neighbor of P and M. R is the neighbor of P and no. This is again the wrong option. Now we have another option. L is the neighbor of P and Q. L is the neighbor of P and Q. No, L is the neighbor of Q and R. So we have only first option, that is the true option. Okay. Moving on to another question. Which of the following pairs has a second person sitting second to the right of the first person? Okay, let's check. First option we have R, M. We have to see whether second person जो हमारा for example second person यहाँ पे M है हमारा, second person is sitting second to the right of first person. क्या हमारा M सेकेंड टू द राइट ऑफ R है, दिस इज राइट, नो, दिस इज थर्ड टू द राइट ऑफ R, सो फर्स्ट ऑप्शन इज रॉन्ग. ठीक है. सेकेंड हम चेक करेंगे N क्यों है हमारा, N क्यों है हमारा, Q is Q sitting second to the right of N? No. Q is sitting third to the right of N. Okay. This is again the wrong option. Now we have QS. QS. We have to check whether second person is S, is sitting second to the right of first person. Is S sitting second to the right of Q? No. This is again the wrong option. Now we have NP. NP is second person is P sitting second to the right of N? No, P is not sitting second to the right of N. This is again the wrong option. So none of these जो है हमारा यहाँ पे हम इसको मार्क कर देंगे क्योंकि इनमें से कोई भी ऑप्शन जो है वो करेक्ट नहीं है. Another question we have, which of the following pairs has first person sitting third to the left of second person? First person sitting third to the left of second person. First person is R. Is R sitting third to the left of N? Is R sitting third to the left of N? No. R is sitting first, second to the left of N. So this is wrong. Okay. Now we have SL. SL. Let's check for SL. Is S sitting third to the left of L? Third to the left of L? No. S is not sitting third to the left of. S is sitting in fact second to the left of L. Okay. This is again the wrong option. Now let's check option number 3. We have SR. Is S sitting third to the left of R? This is S. 1, 2, 3. Yeah. S is sitting definitely third to the left of R. So this is the right option. Let's check fourth option as well. Fourth option we have NL. Is N sitting third to the left of L? N sitting third to the left of L? No. This is first, second, third, fourth to the left of L. So this is again the wrong option. So we will answer third option as the correct option. Okay. Now we have another, what is the position of L? Position of L we have to check. First we have to the immediate right of R. No, this is to the immediate left of R. So first option is wrong. Second we have second to the left of M. Second to the left of M. No, this is first, second, third, fourth to the left of M. Again this is wrong option. To the immediate right of Q. This is Q. Yeah, this is to the immediate right of Q. This is the right option. Third option is the right option. Let's check another option, between M and R. No, between M and R. This is not between M and R. So ऐसे हमारा क्वेश्चन ये भी सॉल्व हो गया. आई होप दीज क्वेश्चंस वर क्लियर टू यू. और आपकी आज की इस लेक्चर में आपने जो भी कॉन्सेप्ट्स थे वो सब आपको समझ आए होंगे. आई होप आपने ये वीडियो पसंद की होगी. पसंद आ गई आपको तो लाइक और शेयर आप जरूर कीजिएगा. आने वाले वीडियोस में हम विल बी सॉल्विंग सम मोर टॉपिक्स जो हैं वो हम लॉजिकल रीजनिंग के करने जा रहे हैं. तो आप हमारी वीडियोस को देखते रहिए और लाइक करते रहिए. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग टुडेज लेक्चर.